Thank you. Good to be here. Thanks, everyone. So, why education? So, education, we know, pays off. The lifetime earnings of a full-time, full-year worker with a high school diploma is $1.6 million, while workers with an associate's degree earn $2 million. Bachelor's degree holders earn a median income of 2.8 over their career, 75% more than those with a high school diploma. And it just goes up from there. Master's degree earners earn a median income of $3.2 million over their lifetimes, while doctoral degree holders earn $4 million and professional degree holders $4.7 million. So those numbers show education is important and it does pay off. So what is MCLA doing? We are strongly advocating to our delegation and along with our sister institutions to expand Pell eligibility. This will allow more students to graduate with less student debt. And for our middle income students, we also need to expand that eligibility for Pell because it's often those students who often have the least amount of support, which means that it's more debt for themselves or individual and for their families who may be eligible for plus loans, which means that debt load transfers from the student to parents or caregivers. The MCLA Foundation, which is a fundraising arm of the college, our number one priority right now is scholarships to students. So this is the priority, this is where our focus is from the foundation. So that's a little bit about what we're doing at MCLA. And personally, I thought I would just share my why. That's a common theme here. I was the first generation in my family to go to college, so college is important. On my 10-year wedding anniversary was also the year that I paid off my student loans. So it was a little bit of a mix. Should we celebrate the anniversary or celebrate that student debt? So just wanted to share that with you today. Thank you again for everyone for being here.